Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and I want to give a big thank you to everyone in the, I want to say the audience, but that just sounds weird. But I want to say big thank you to everyone at home and wherever you are for being a subscriber, because if you haven't noticed, I managed to get past 1,100 subscribers now. I'm now up to 1,107. Right at the time of recording, because it does go up and down, but it's past 1,100. So I want to do a big thank you for everybody. And again, it always humbles me, surprises me, and makes me happy that people do find me interesting and entertaining enough to give me a like, give me a follow, give me sub, whatever. And yeah, basically just watch me really. I said I'm just some person down in Gosport, and I just do these things. So it's always amazing that people do find me interesting enough. Um, yeah, thank you very much, and I do hope that you will enjoy all the content which I've got planned. Um, First of all, I do want to say that if you have noticed, I have turned off adverts. I wanted to have a go at them, see what happened, and it wasn't really worth it, so I've turned them back off. So yeah, you won't be getting any adverts from me because it's basically I just want to see how much I'd earn, and yeah, it's don't bother with it. Um, so yeah, I've turned them back off. So hopefully that'll make everybody happy again. And So yeah, if you see any adverts, that's not me. That's Google, YouTube, or whoever. So yeah, can't run an ad block or something like that. I don't get any money from it anymore. So yeah, I have turned them back off. I'm making this into a little updatey thing as well. I will be diversifying my lineup again because I know there's a little period where I was just doing the same things each and every time. It's just because just some things were happening, and yeah, I just couldn't really think of what else to do. So I will be planning to spread things out again. Just means I am planning to do a second layout again. Well, I say second layout, building a second layout because I've got Minstow Road over there, I've got Bottomport up there, and I've already got the bits of wood for the third one down there. Not telling you what it is, but that will come out in January. I'm just getting all the bits of wood now because it's been difficult getting wood lately. I had to actually go to a specialist website who cut wood for the actual baseboard itself. The struts and that lot, I'm still using some leftover bits from the bed and also recycling from the first Minstow Road. So yeah, that'll be started in January. I have also got all the bits to redo the electrics to Minstow Road. That'll be done hopefully in January. Luckily, I've learned some bits from doing some bits on Bostonport. I'm also still working on Bostonport. Still working on models. Still got some planned and all that lot. Pete should know what I've already got, and if you look at my website, there also a few hints of what I've already got lined up. What I've already made and printed and all that. Because I've got, let me just get this one. This one, which is not out yet on any videos, but yeah, this one is done, and I need to get a new chassis for that one, so you can live up there. You work out how to do that one, but yeah, that's all planned. I do plan to do scenery kits again because, well, first of all, it gives me something to give out to you because I do still want to do my giveaways. Next one's not till 200. Gonna just I want to make sure they're still special, so I'm just spreading, make sure they're all spread out. So next one's at 1,200. Excuse me. So that's the next one for that one. I said I have already built it because the video's already done for that one, but they'll be doing more scenery kits and building them and then giving them out to everyone. So that'll be good for me and you. And what else am I doing? Uh, there's a few things I've got in mind. I'm doing shorts videos again, mainly because they bring in they have a separate algorithm, so it's something else to do. So I do still need to work on my steam locomotive. This was basically waiting for the weather to not rain. So that's something to do. Keep eyeing up another steam engine. I really can't help it. This one does work, and I don't need tracks for it. So yeah, but I can't help myself. If I find something which interests me, yeah, I can buy enough steam engine. But that will may or may not appear. But it's mostly I'm trying to make sure there's a slight variety of stuff. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see, I do want to do more beginner videos, but it's mainly working out ideas and things and that lot. If you have any suggestions, do feel free to let me know, and I'll have a look at trying to do. I do want to have a look at different DC controllers and DCC controllers for N-Gage. Not 100% sure on that, but because it's people have done that elsewhere, and I don't really know. It's a thing, really, but that's the only one I can think of, really. But oh, and another important thing, John from last time, John Slee. Yeah, I did try contacting you. I don't know if you got the YouTube notification, but I'm still waiting for you to give me your postage details so I can give you your train, which you won last time from the 1,000 subscriber special. I know it has been a while, but I did try to message you via YouTube because that's the only way I could message you. But I still haven't worked out. I did reply to your comment, and I did also mention you in the winners video. But yeah, I'm still got your train. I'll post it to you. But yeah, I don't know if anything's happened. So yeah, still feel bad. It's sat there at the moment. So but I do intend to get that to you, John. So do message me, contact me, and all that lot. So yeah, that's all that. Like I said, I've got my website somewhat ready and working for if anybody wants to order any model. I said any of these things, any of my bodies for locos. Give me a little while for the coaches because they're still having a bit of problems. That one's turned out a little bit better. The roof didn't. That went completely off somewhere over there. But yeah, other than that, I'll just continue doing what I'm doing since everybody seems to be enjoying what I'm doing. So yeah, thank you again, everyone, and yeah, I hope to see you all at 1,200 if I ever make it that far. And if I make it any further, I'll keep doing giveaways and all that a lot and see what else anybody likes. I'm not sure what I'm doing for 2,000 if I get that far. But yeah, I'll work on that when I get there. So I may do some giveaways using these. I'm not entirely sure. But also, if people have any suggestions of what locos you would like to see, do let me know. I have got a list of things that I want to do, but I'll just do which one. I'm trying to even out. So the next one I'm going to be working on after this one is another LBS, not LBS, yeah, LSWR, but this one won't be going out till about January. So yeah, that's for that one. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. Anyway, next video, which will be after this, it'll be the finishing building of the R1 class, which I really did enjoy. I always wanted one of them. But I'll just stop rambling. Anyway, thank you again. Always, 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 always big thank you for all of you. And basically, I can't really say how much I appreciate all of you. Really, I know I only really interact with a few of you, and some of you are just happy just watching me. But that's pretty much it, really. If you enjoy watching me, I appreciate you watching me. If you subscribe to me, I appreciate it. If you want to talk to me, talk to me. All of that lot. Again, I'm going off rambling. It's 10.5 minutes long now. All it's been is me rambling and telling you some vaguely interesting things. uh, anyway, important thing, John. You messaged me, and yeah, I hope everyone has a lovely day, and hope you liked the videos, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the content. And if you don't like the videos, well, I hope you have a lovely day anyway. Do feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I do very much appreciate a subscribe because that's how I grow. But I also just appreciate you if you pop around once in a while, give me a watch, give me a like, and that's it really. Anyway, I'm going to sort out what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, take care now. Bye bye. Where's the stop button? There it is. Bye bye now.